pelvic opening is very important. pelvic bone is this area जिधर अंदर यूट्रस है, बच्चा डेवलप हो रहा है, और उस एरिया को जितना फ्लेक्सिबल रखोगे उतना ब्लड सर्कुलेशन अच्छा होगा, उस एरिया को जितना ओपन रखोगे उतना बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. एंड इट्स एक्चुअली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू क्लोज टू फाइनल डेज, जब भी एक्चुअल आपका डिलीवरी पास में आने वाला है. डिम्पल इज बेसिकली इन अंडर फर्स्ट 6 months ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी, तो हम लोग उसको विदाउट बॉल करवा रहे हैं. बाकी तीनों के लिए डूइंग इट ऑन द बॉल इज वेरी बेनिफिशियल. एक तो आपका टेलबोन का हिस्सा बॉल के अंदर दब जाता है, सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ शॉक एब्जॉर्बेंट टू दैट एरिया, और वो सारे मूवमेंट्स करना बहुत ईजी हो जाता है. दूसरा, इसके लिए पेट में वजन नहीं है तो इट गोज लिटिल ईजी. इन तीनों के लिए बॉल है तो चलो अच्छा अच्छे से हो जाता है. सो वन थिंग दैट आई कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प. सो फर्स्ट आई be talking about how Dimple and I should be doing. Dimple, just take bit of position, go slightly down, keep your hands on your waist and just do 1, 2, 3. So just a tilt. Girls, same thing on the ball, just gentle shift on both the sides. So if you all see, they are not swinging, it's just there and up and down. So it's a very little bit movement. It's basically that this area that goes up and down, up and down. Girls, continue doing. So ideally 20 on each side, close to 40. How many times we can do, or how many sets you can do? One set should be good enough if you are in just entered your 3rd trimester. Close to 9th month, yes, pelvic bone opening या pelvic muscle opening ज़्यादा repetition में करते हो तो it's anytime better. Okay, girls, stop. Second thing, so Dimple and I, so दोनों पाँव में distance, just go a little bit down. Girls, see this particular exercise as if you are trying to get your tailbone in front. So it's basically your tailbone and your pubic area. So tailbone in front, pubic area back. Tailbone in front, pubic area back. That's why they say that belly dancing बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है आपके चाइल्ड बर्थ के प्रोसेस में, या आपके प्यूबिक हेल्थ के प्रोसेस में, या यूट्रस के प्रोसेस में, यूट्रस हेल्थ के प्रोसेस में. एंड इट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स. सो यू गो लिटिल बिट डाउन एंड देन you go front and back, front and back 20 times. Girls, do it on the ball. Just front and back, front and back, front and back. 6 more to go. This is a very good way to open up your entire area and to create a good passage आपके बच्चे के लिए. So this can actually help. Very good. And last 2. And last 1. Relax. So this particular exercise, in fact कोई pregnant नहीं भी है, if you want to improve your uterus health, that can actually help. Next particular exercise is camel and cat. So Dimple will be doing a plain camel and cat. बैठ के. Thank you. So camel and cat. Camel and cat is a very good exercise जो आपके pelvic bone को open up करने में help करती है, आपका core strengthening बढ़ाती है. It makes you feel better at your pubic area. So what Dimple is doing, Dimple just look up, down, look down and back up. Slowly turn and continue doing it for 10 repetitions. For all the girls on the ball, in case you feel it's not very comfortable to do camel and cat, you can do that on the ball as well. Girls, just drop your hands down and go back. So just they'll be bending as much as they can and then come up and stretch. Up, 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 stretch, look up. Relax. वापस आगे चले जाओ. Stretch. Very good. Go back. Very good. वापस आगे and पीछे. Very good. Relax. Last one that works brilliantly well for the pubic opening and at the same time pelvic area flexibility. And third and a very benefit point is that it actually helps your baby to descend into the birth canal. So what we are going to do, a gentle bounce. So Dimple will just take a rest. Rest 3 of you, just a gentle bounce on the ball. Just a gentle bounce. Enjoy? Yes. Okay. See, for all of you, whenever I take this particular exercise for girls, no, they are very happy. They first tell me, Shreya, इसमें बहुत मजा आता है. Basically, इस exercise में आप भूल जाते हो कि आप बड़े हो, फिर आप भूल जाते हो कि आप pregnant हो. So this is very helpful exercise, especially 3rd trimester में. जिनके पास birthing ball है, do it. जिनके पास birthing ball नहीं है और आपके आसपास भी ऐसा कोई workout center नहीं है, तो आप birthing ball खरीद लो. बड़ा मजा आता है उसके ऊपर बैठ के. Just 10 more to go, 9 more to go, 8 more to go, 7 more to go, 6 more, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more and 2 more. Relax yourself and last but not the least, Dimple and I will be doing standing. See, for we both, it's plain hip rotation. For rest 3 of you, try and do hip rotations on the balls. 1. This is a very good pelvic area opening exercise. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Reverse. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Relax yourself. So that's sitting on the ball. Now just release the balls. Keep your balls on the sides and sit in Vajrasana. Dimple and I will be doing in plain Vajrasana. See, for all of you, when Dimple will start doing all these exercises, probably 1.5 months down the line. So now what we'll be doing with the ball is, just check, keeping ball next to you. Girls, take your balls. Is basically just sleeping on it. Legs are not too much spread, not too much close. Take your position and just you are trying to relax your muscles. Just do it. It feels very good. Dimple, are you excited about doing all these exercises in future? It's nice. Yeah. So, see, for all mamas, this is a very good relaxation. It actually helps you to feel better. Okay, girls, 2 more. And relax. Very good. Relax yourself. In case you are like Dimple, who is very early in her stages of pregnancy and she wished to do a stretch with the ball, Dimple, just come in front. I'll show you. So basically what she can do is, like, just a moment. So she has to be sitting on her knees, stretch and then relax. It feels superb at the back. So Dimple, you can just sit straight. You too can also try. Just be on your knees and just stretch your ball in front. Head should hang in between. Just feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax your head. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Very good. Was it good? Yes. So these are few stretches that will actually help you relax your pelvic area, relax your pubic area and feel good. So thank you so much all of you. Take care. Keep watching and do subscribe. Bye.